Network Entertainment.
Hi, I'm JB.
And I'm Ella, at
At
ito ang Kwentong Callroom, powered by the Pod Network. Uy! Hey!
Hindi, for context, pag kumakain kami sa labas, ayoko nang magkatabi.
Yeah, ayaw niya tong
Gusto ko
posisyon
nang
na to.
magkaharap kasi gusto ko
Yeah.
nakikita syempre yung kausap ko, kukuha ko sa pagkain. Kumuha.
Ako gusto ko to para mahampas kitang ganyan.
Bakit may hampasan?
Bakit? Bakit ba tayo nandito?
Oo, kasi special yung episode na to.
Yes.
Kasi una sa lahat, it's a kwento mo sa callroom episode.
It's been a while.
It's been years. Oo, yung years.
Hindi naman years. Months siguro.
Oo, months naman.
Ba't ba natin di sinasagot, Bish?
Hindi, wala masyado kasing parang although meron namang nagpapadala, pero sana ang kino-consolidate muna namin.
Hindi, tsaka may mga questions that we don't feel like we're the best people to answer.
Nahirapan kami. Like, merong question, for example, on a non-traditional pre-med.
Tapos
ang
wala
hirap.
tayong ganong context.
Oo,
ganyan.
bio-nursing.
Yeah.
Parang usual naman. So, kailangan. So, kung ikaw yon, talk to us.
Ito din, tong episode na to, kaya obviously may tatawag tayong guest kasi we feel like we're not the right people to answer.
Or, meron na tayong nasagot previously na baka gusto nila ng ibang perspective.
True,
diba?
true. Ayan. So, that's why we're here today.
Oo.
Pero bago yan,
Laway. We are Kwentong Callroom Podcast.
we're best friends and doctors, and our goal is to demystify and humanize medicine.
medicine.
So if you've been with us since 2022, thank you for staying on. Thank you na nakikinig pa din kayo. Di kayo nagsasawa sa amin. Di kayo nainis sa tawa ko.
Or, hindi mo sure.
And thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing the content, talking to us. Kahit yung mga bigla na lang kaming kakausapin, tapos parang, I listen to your podcast. Kinikilig pa din ako doon.
Actually,
diba?
no. Parang worth it naman pala yung pagyayap natin.
Oh, yes.
Na pinapapuntahan.
Oo.
At sa mga new listeners, feeling ko, kaya mo to kinlik, kasi ikaw yung target population ng episode na to.
OMG. At yung tanong nung letter sender, tanong din niya yon.
Oo, nahihiya ka lang aminin.
Hindi naman, tanungin.
Nahiya
Nahiya
kang tanungin, oo.
Pero dahil dyan,
Tawagin na natin siya.
ayan. So, welcome, Joe. Ayan, pasok ka lang. Ayan.
We have a very special guest.
Yes.
Our co-kapatid. Kapuso.
Co-podcaster. Yan.
Kapamilya.
She may be familiar to our listeners na nakikinig din ng podcast, di ba? So I see you a lot on Reels, ganyan.
Kasi yung mga mid-roll natin, minsan siya.
Sumisingit-singit.
Parang hindi na boses na Ella yun eh.
Sumisingit-singit here and there. Gets.
So, pakilala ka sa ating audience.
Hello po, mga doctor. Ano tawag sa mga listeners nyo?
Ka-call room.
Ka-call room.
Ka-call room.
Yes.
Hi, mga ka-call room. I'm Joelle, also a podcaster, someone who also just loves yapping. Generally, I'm an oversharer, an overthinker, and have found a way to generally monetize my katangahan. Ganun lang siya, honestly. Like,
Overshare, overthinker.
Oh my God!
and I have a podcast called Paano Kung. It's basically an expanded universe of what I would create on TikTok and on Instagram as well. Started with Landi Tips, and it became, like, the questions got deeper and deeper.
Kaya siya talaga ang tamang tao.
Yes.
Kasi may kinalaman doon. Slightly.
And magaling siyang magbigay ng advice.
Okay.
Yan. Kasi minsan, di ba, alam naman natin, pero gusto nating may ibang magsabi sa atin.
Manggaling sa ibang tao.
That's true.
Kasi parang ako, yung problema, alam ko naman yung sagot, pero ako,
Pag-
tanga nga.
pag-
Madalas alam nga natin
Pag sarili mo
eh.
ng problema, di mo na malutas. Pero pag iba, ang galing
Oo,
mag-advise.
yes, oo.
Diba?
Actually, most of the time, alam naman na talaga natin yung sagot eh. We just want to hear it from someone else, or it's like, when you're ready to actually start doing it, tsaka gagalaw.
So,
ganun.
Oo.
today, someone...
So thanks for having me here.
Of course. Two people are asking for your help.
Ooh.
But before we go to their questions, we have a surprise segment.
Okay.
We didn't orient you on this.
Okay.
Pero, ikaw.
Okay, sige, ako na.
Meron kaming tinatawag na rapid rounds.
Okay.
It's basically fast talk.
Mm-hmm.
So, a series of questions could be choices, yes or no, or quick answers. Kung ano man una mong
Walang
maisip.
explanation.
Yes,
Okay.
don't explain. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Ready, set...
Charot.
Ay,
Sinagot na.
Bayong!
Mali.
Pera.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Sunrise or sunset?
Sunset.
Instagram or TikTok?
TikTok.
Describe your ideal partner in 3 words.
Loving, Laughs.
Kailangan L. Char.
Loving laughs. 3 words lang kasi, loving laughs. Loyal.
Ang galing.
In another life, ako ay blank.
In another life, ako ay... Oh my God, ang hirap. Wait, ang hirap sagutin kasi ang dami ko ng mga lives na nalive.
Ay, puso ka ba?
Wala. Hindi pala pwede mo-explain. Isang nepo baby.
Ay, oo nga. I mean,
Yun na lang po.
I mean, in this economy,
Yun
sa
na
mahal
lang
ng
po.
gasolina,
Yun na
Totoo,
lang po.
totoo.
Nepo
Oo.
baby.
it's the long weekend. Ako ay nasa blank.
Nasa beach.
Love language na gusto mo matanggap.
Words of affirmation.
Mahal mo o mahal ka?
Ay, both. Both talaga.
Ganda.
Tea or coffee?
Tea.
Lights on or lights off?
Ooh, off.
Organic encounters or dating apps?
Dating app. Bias.
LSS mo ngayon or any song?
Oh my gosh. Ooh. I've been on this like manifesting lucky girl playlist. So yun siya ngayon. So andun siya.
Diba
It's a
hawak
lot of
mo ang
different.
beats?
Oo.
Yan
lot
kasi
of
nasa
different,
TikTok
ano,
pa lagi,
oo.
di ba? As of this recording. Your red flag.
My red flag. I'm an open book.
I don't think that's a red. Wow.
Well, some people
Apologies.
are.
As an open book for self. Okay. Kiss on the first date. Yes or no?
Okay lang, yeah.
Love is like a blank.
Ay,
Love is like a rose.
love it.
Oh my God.
Give na natin. Okay. Love language na palagi mong binibigay.
Ooh, quality time.
Comfort food.
Sushi.
True love or thriving career. Hala.
True love.
May
Beach,
nakikinig.
well, feeling ko alam ko na yung sagot dito. Beach o bundok?
Beach.
Okay. Second to the last question. Best life advice you received. Life advice na natanggap mo.
Wag tanga.
True.
Ganda yan. 2 words lang.
Oh,
pero
ito
pa.
na. Last. Best love life advice you received.
Oh, yun pala yun. Life muna. Life or love.
Pwede namang both.
Oo,
Oo,
parang
wag tanga pa
pareho
din.
na siya eh. Oo nga eh.
Tama naman.
Hindi, baka meron.
Do things that would make your 80 and 8-year-old self proud.
Ang ganda.
Ay, ang ganda.
Interchangeable na lang yung love and life. But yeah,
Oo
generally,
nga,
I think those
no.
work.
Hala, napareflect ako. I think I need to step out.
I think I need to think my thoughts.
Ngayon talaga.
Kasi, am I doing my 8-year-old self proud? Ay, o diba? Mag-step out ka din.
Napaisip din.
Oh, but thank you for
Thank you, Joelle.
answering. Actually, yun na yun. Yun na yun.
Yun na, thanks guys.
Hindi, so, as we said, merong mga humingi ng advice sa amin. And feeling namin ikaw ang best makakasagot.
Ikaw, I love it.
Ganyan.
Babasahin mo na ba yung in sequence? Yung
Pwede
dalawa?
naman. Or gusto mo, medyo similar naman sila.
Oo,
Sige.
sige.
So, basahin ko muna yung
Una.
questions. Tapos ikaw dun sa pangalawa.
Okay,
And we can answer them together.
Okay.
And for the medical context, we can provide that later.
Ito pala ikwento mo sa call room, no? So, pwede kang sumulat via Google Form.
Yes.
And mag-send ng questions.
Send lang kayo. Tapos mag-invite ulit
Stories.
Invite ulit namin si
oo.
Joel.
Malay mo, sino ma-invite namin? Sino gusto nyo invite?
Okay, so Joel, the first letter is, so she's pretty. Yun yung name niya.
Kwentong maganda to.
Yeah. She's 28. She goes by she, her. And her chief complaint, that's what we call the complaints in medicine. How to find love during residency or training in general.
Training basically. So yung mga residents, sila yung mga doctors na nag-board exam but they want to specialize in something.
Yes. Tapos
And
yung mga
residency.
never mo na nakikita mga
Yeah,
Yes.
residency is medyo toxic talaga siya.
Yeah. So, sabi niya, hello doctors.
And Joel.
And Joel. I am a 28-year-old second-year resident in a public hospital. I've been listening to your podcast since 2 years ago. Hehe. Thank you. Okay. Would like to ask sana kung paano makahanap ng the one while in residency. NBSB po kasi ako and medyo worried na din kasi hindi makahanap ng the one tapos sobrang busy ko pa in residency. Would like to ask tips po. Hehe. I hope mapili po ang question
Ito na
ko.
nga, napili ka na.
Ito na.
Oo. Thank you very much. And please keep doing this podcast. Oh,
Yay.
it is entertaining and helpful to us trainees. Oh, talaga. Thank you din. Okay.
Thank you, Pretty.
Salamat,
Pretty ka talaga.
Pretty ka.
Balikan. So, absorb muna natin yan. Punta tayo kay letter 2.
Okay, letter 2. Ito na. NBSB resident.
Oo.
As in, sinabi na niya agad.
NBSB din
Yes.
siya.
Yes.
Sila pareho.
Oo. 29 years old, she/her. At ang kanyang chief complaint ay no love life. Hello po. Baka same lang sila, no?
Baka siya din to.
sa-
Nag-reset lang pala
I've been
siya.
a fan of your podcast since 2022 and thank you po for this podcast because I enjoyed listening to your episodes, especially if I feel sad during residency, which is normal, sabi niya. Residency is so far the toughest in this journey, but my problem po is never pa ako nagka-love life since birth. Ha ha ha. And kinakabahan na ako. Focus kasi ako sa school kasi nga obedient sa
Wow,
parents.
sana all.
So pag may love life, hindi na
Oo nga,
obedient.
excuse me.
Paano sa Ella, high school pa lang?
Ay, grabe ka. Mommy, sorry.
So suwain ba siya? Siguro kulang din sa looks. Grabe naman.
Sino nagsabi sa inyo yan? Hawaii
Baka si
natin.
Pretty. Most non-showbiz guys tell me na they are intimidated with the fact na doktor ako. Would like to ask tips po paano magka-love life with this schedule. Gusto ko sana kinilig to, hindi naman to killing sila.
kiligin siguro.
Kiligin din. Killing. At wag puro duty. Thank you po.
Yan. Similar, no? Pwede
Basically,
nga same person.
NBSB.
Yeah.
Na gustong lumove life during training.
Oo.
My question is, how long ulit yung residency? Ilang years yun?
Ayan, depende siya sa pinili mo, no? So,
So, it
si
can
specialization, it could be as short as 3 years. Well, mahaba na pala yun. 3 years to as long as 7 years. Yung mga mas mahaba, usually they're surgical kasi they need more practice.
Tapos as context din, so after college, plus 4 years of medical school, plus 1 year of internship.
Yes.
Yeah.
So plus 5 yun sa usual college. Ano ba, ilang taon na mag-graduate ngayon ng mga
Mga
kabataan?
22, 21, mga ganyan.
Oo. So 26 above itong mga to.
Yes.
Pero no, with K-12 pa. So, parang may
Yan.
added 2 years pa.
Oo,
Yan.
sa mga ganon, nearing 30s na.
Yeah. Tapos ano pa
NBSB.
yun, some people choose to work first before med school
Right.
or they work before residency. So some people, after taking the board exam, biglang mag-work muna and then saka sila mag-residency.
Ayan, si Pretty 28, si
Yeah.
NBSB 29.
So this is the usual age talaga of residents. Around that time, we were also residents. Ayan.
Tapos yun yung hindi talaga like, walang outside world masyado? Or meron pa rin naman?
Depende sa araw. Ay, araw!
Depende sa araw.
Pero kung default na parang nag-duty ka tapos pagod ka, kung ang priority mo ay magpahinga na lang, magpapahinga ka na lang.
Okay.
Tapos duty ka na
Yeah.
ulit kinabukasan.
Yeah.
Okay.
So kung hindi mo pag-e-effortan, wala, default doon ka lang.
Tsaka doon nagjo-duty. So, hindi ka naman everyday duty. But it could be that duty ka for 24 hours and then nasa hospital ka pa din and then you don't really have the whole day to yourself. We have what we call golden weekends. So, ngayong tapos na kami doon. Ang weekend pala ay free dapat. Pero wala kaming ganong concept before.
Right.
Like, ang weekend na golden, happy na kami kapag half day nakauwi kami.
Pag meron na.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah,
oo.
wala talagang time.
Yes, yes.
Okay, well, the thing is, iniisip ko kasi, there was a time, especially like my late 20s, that I would hang around a lot of like med friends.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam ko anong stage sila sa nang buhay nila sa
Okay.
sa med school journey and in like residency and stuff. Pero ang masasabi ko lang, sa lahat ng med friends ko, marami sa kanilang kasal na and like happily married and
Oh.
thriving. So, ang masasabi ko lang, for both of them, if there's a will, there's a way. Kasi okay, may pagod, valid yun. Pero kung malandi ka, may paraan pa rin lagi.
Love it.
Like, oo. Kasi,
True.
like, I did date a few doctors here and there also before.
Ah.
So, like, kung ang desire talaga ilumandi, di kailangan kahit pagod. Pero kung ang priority is to manage your well-being and to rest, and which is completely valid, hindi ka pa naman mag-expire pala pagpatay ka na, no? Sa doctor, terms, no? And I get that there's that sense of urgency, no? Pag 28, 29. Kasi usually yun, pag 30, yung pag malapit ka na mag 30, feeling mo it's the end of the world. But then when you reach 30, it's like, okay, parang it's
Same
still-
lang pala.
It's the same. It's the start of so many possibilities pa.
Yeah.
And given naman na talaga na very limited ang options socially ng doctors, especially in these key points in their life. Pero parang it's different eras lang. So kung ang primary priority ay lumandi, edi carve that out. Buti nga may mga dating apps din now.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then if there are days
Habang
of-
wala pang patient, no? Swipe muna ng
Oo,
konti.
pwede may mga time
Diba?
naman, diba, here and there. Oo,
Pwede.
meron ako mga nakaka-match before na dating app na ganyan, na nakakausap and stuff. So like, marami ng avenues. And then like, friends of friends, I think that helps a lot din, na parang, gumo ka na sa mga
Reto.
para kay Pretty, sino si Pretty and
NBSB.
NBSB. Parang go ka na sa reto, or like pag may aya yung mga friends. I remember there are certain points of some friendships na biglang nawawala sila. Parang, babay, mag-start na ako ng ganito. So I rarely ever see them.
Kami yung paalam talaga.
Oo, nagbababay. Parang tagal ko na silang hindi nakikita because of the demands of life. Yun naman talaga. I can only like imagine how much of your time is parang dun lang talaga nakafocus, no? But in the times that they do show up, talagang parang babawi. They will meet up, they will hang out, and just do and vibe and meet up with everyone that's there. Parang ang masasuggest ko is if the priority is talagang jumawa na talaga ngayon bago ka mag-30 or whatever, edi grab all the opportunities that are available. Meron namang mga nagde-date ng doctor din kung gusto
Actually,
nila
diba?
same lang.
Totoo.
Diba? May ganun din.
Marami naman tayong success stories na co-resident.
Oo.
Kasi
Yeah,
parang by
yeah.
proximity, palagi
andun
mong
na rin.
kasama, ka-duty mo, di ba?
Oo. Tapos gets nila yung
or
ano,
ibang
diba?
department.
Yeah.
Oo,
Pwede
diba?
din, di ba?
So, in
Yes.
essence, prioritize, no? Parang
Yeah.
kung na-identify mo siya, so okay, gusto kong magjowa.
Like ready. Oo.
Yeah, kasi pwede naman talagang, wala akong time ngayon. And
Yeah.
okay lang yun kung hindi mo siya thing. Pero kung na-establish mo na, and I think sila gusto nilang magka-jowa. No? Or ang isa ko pang narinig from my NBSB friends ay, hindi pa siya for a long-term relationship, pero kasi more of nasasad sila na magta-30s na tapos never pa siya nakapag-date. As in,
Gets.
kahit lang
Yeah,
to see
yeah.
what's out there, sana, ganyan.
No, kasi yun yung mga usually pag strict parents or like high school, college, wag. Tapos biglang magsiswitch na, okay lang na.
Diba?
Nasa na? Walang middle ground diba?
Totoo.
Anak na hinahanap sa'yo.
Oo,
Parang,
anak na
girl,
agad.
bawal
Lalo na
boyfriend.
si NBSP obedient, di ba? Sabi
Oo,
niya.
obedient daw.
Right,
Oo.
yeah.
Excuse me, obedient din ako.
Sorry, mom and dad. Ganun.
When people talk, do you sometimes feel like you can't relate? Like the topic has no relevance to you? I'm Pio Ontiveros, and I've created a space where we welcome different perspectives, look at the facts, the context, and talk about what really matters. Politics, culture, faith, power, current events, anything under the sun, the moon, and the stars. If it shapes how we live, we're talking about it. We need to talk about it, decode it, unbox, unpack. I'm Pio Ontiveros. Let's talk. Listen now on Spotify.
So, prioritize, carve out time for it. Kasi, ano naman talaga, it's hard, but may narinig akong quote before na,
If there's a will. Ay, hindi
Hindi,
ba?
hindi,
Ay,
na parang-
bago-bago. If there's a will, there's a way.
Hindi na parang, what you prioritize, you will schedule.
Yeah. Totoo.
Oo. And kung talagang wala kang mahanap na time in your schedule, that means hindi mo siya priority.
Yeah, it just shows, parang clear naman whatever you have time for, whatever that is there, it's really what you prioritize. Pero gets naman na merong, certain things that are out of our control. Parang kung yung mga na-meet mo, hindi lang talaga, then maybe it's not the time. Hindi,
Yeah.
wag pilitin. Wag mo namang patayin sarili mo sa wala ka ng tulog, tapos kailangan ko mag-date.
Hindi! Anong favorite color mo?
Bagsak ka dyan, I mean, parang, like, follow what's working, what is available. Tell your friends, I'm ready to date. Kahit hindi the one agad. Kahit just like, to meet people, to learn how to date, and to socialize, and to just have a life outside of residency kung kaya. I know, I can't imagine how hard that must be, especially in that period of time. Pero, hindi naman siya forever.
Yeah.
And then, ang iniisip ko rin about the non-showbiz people na parang kung na-intimidate sa doctor, di, hindi sila yung tao para sa'yo. Kung parang dahil lang doon na, okay, doctor, hindi ba good thing yon na may date kang doctor? Like, if that's something na doon pa lang, they're already feeling insecure, parang, that's very clear that that's not the person for
Red
you.
flag, di ba? Pag
Yeah.
ganyan. Tsaka, ang maganda yung sabi mo na, carving out time doesn't mean you're gonna diminish your worth. Na, doktor ako. So, parang hindi naman ibig sabihin nun na, I have to remove that completely or maging con siya bigla na ay okay
part
sana.
yun ng pagkatao mo eh.
Yeah.
Oo, diba? So
Work mo yun eh.
kapag hindi nag-workout, I guess isa pa yon na dapat siguro open tayo to things not working out. Na parang pag may
Yeah.
mamimit ka, may makaka-date ka, hindi kasi yan magic na yung mamimit mo the first time ay the one agad.
Yes.
I used to think that way na parang, okay, dapat yung first boyfriend ko, siya na forever.
So much
ganyan.
pressure,
diba?
diba?
Na parang, gusto ko
As a perfectionist.
na parang kailangan tama to agad. So,
Oo.
that pressure, I guess, puts pressure on the fun of
Both,
dating,
yeah.
diba? So, instead na ma-enjoy mo and, diba, to find out what you want, ganyan, parang biglang ikaw, di na siya masaya or parang hindi ka natuloy magta-try kasi takot kang mali yung mapili
Yeah,
mo.
tas wala ring like insights and lessons on what actually works for you. Parang, you'd think that it's great to probably date a person na ganito. Pero dahil like you were set on just this one experience, this one person, yun lang yun. Pero what if after that, like, you like something else na mas, adventurous or whatever, or non-showbiz pala, ganon, or something.
At saka maganda dun kasi parang you also get to know yourself. Kung anong gusto mo, di ba? Anong ayaw mo.
I guess it also takes some level of self-worth and understanding of yourself. Kasi hindi pwedeng mag-adjust ka na lang sa, ay, itong guy na to gusto niya ganito, or itong girl na to gusto niya ganito, so kailangan mag-adjust ako. Parang, I guess the advantage of being in your 30s, sabi nila, ay when you're dating at this time, it's more of, okay, this doesn't work for me. Alam ko na yan. Alam ko, ex na to. This won't work out. Ganyan.
Yeah. Tapos I think another like factor, kailan ba how old were you guys when you had your first relationships?
25.
25.
14.
Okay. So,
Sorry, mom.
Meron ka na,
Sorry,
may
Ma.
regla ka na ba?
Meron
Ah, sorry.
Magregla naman.
Ay, sorry.
I can't imagine also the pressure. I can never be able to imagine yung pressure of like someone nearing their 30s na NBSB, na yung label na parang, everybody at that point, nagsisimula na yung mga tao magka-asawa, anak, tas parang ikaw jowa pa rin, wala.
Oo.
But there is a reason naman kung bakit yun yung naging path. And it doesn't make your path like any less like lame or late or whatever. Kasi clearly na prioritize mo yung wishes ng parents mo, yung career mo, which is like something that no one can really take away, diba? Especially yung career that you're building. Like, it's amazing. So, while there may be that pressure, wala ka namang magagawa unless you start doing something about it lang din. And if the call is like, gusto ko na talaga jumawa, open yourself up to the opportunities that are available while being smart about it also.
Tsaka, ano na siya, as you said, maraming option. So, pwedeng mag-dating app.
Oo. Tapos ngayon may mga dating mixers na. Kung gusto niya, di ba?
Yeah. And sometimes, hindi naman always date dapat yung outcome. No?
Oo.
Sometimes you just went out and had fun outside of the hospital, ganyan.
Yeah.
So, mixers, there are dating apps, friend of a friend, sabi mo.
Yung mga
Yeah.
interest groups, mga hobbies.
Ay,
Baka
mga
makahanap ka ng
workshops,
love life.
ganyan.
Di ba?
Yes.
Mga running group, ganyan.
Oo, Strava.
Yan.
Not sponsored.
Tsaka mga wall climbing.
Oo, mga
ganyan.
ganyan. Di ba?
I think it's all about putting yourself out there, trying new things, and not being afraid of failure. Not just
Yes.
in life, but also in love.
Oo. Tsaka ang lagi kong sinasabi, kasi parang I think Pretty was like, ang target niya is the one na agad.
Yeah.
I always say like, not everyone you meet will be the one,
Okay.
but everyone you meet can be the bridge or can point you to
referral.
the one at
Ang
some
ganda
point. There will
niyan.
always be some connection in some way. 6 degrees of
Yan,
separation.
yan.
yun, diba?
Oo nga, no.
Tsaka ano siya parang not everyone will take you to the love of your life nga. But stepping stones along the way. Hindi naman
Inapakan
siya-
yung ibang tao.
Hindi ikaw eh.
Hindi ikaw! Next!
Next.
Next. Ganyan.
Wala ganun yung journey eh.
Oo.
Kasi sometimes malalaman mo na lang na ito pala gusto ko pag nakapag-jowa ka na.
Yes.
Or nakapag-date ka na. Hindi naman kailangan lahat jowa yung ending.
Yes. And then I guess what I could also add is like, hindi naman namin masasabi guaranteed na if you do all these steps ay parang makakahanap ka na
Ay, oo
agad.
ha.
Diba?
Oo
Disclaimer
naman.
ha. No
Yeah.
approved therapeutic claims.
Oo, mamaya,
It's true.
balikan tayo.
Oo, kasi may mga tao who parang it's just not the journey for them in this life. Parang ganon. And it doesn't have to be so sad. I mean, I get it in society, parang, oh, lungkot, single ka pa rin. But like, also to live in a time right now where it's not as sad because you have so many opportunities to create the life that you want for yourself.
Yeah.
And if you have that degree yung bilang doktor, parang it can take you to many places. Kung wala man yung dawan mo dito, malay mo, hindi pa siya pinapanganak. Malay mo, later on pa pala siya. Later on in your life mo pa siya makikilala.
Oo.
Malay mo, nasa ibang bansa pa na
True.
siya.
Kanya-kanyang story naman talaga yan. Wala naman talagang, dapat, kasi we hear that a lot as doctors, yung tipo, kailangan daw before med school ends, may jowa ka na. Kasi kung wala, never ka na daw magkaka-jowa.
Oo, may
Hindi
ganon.
naman.
Ang
Diba?
toxic!
Yeah.
Siya nga, after med school na nag-jowa.
Yung isa nga naming kaibigan, after training niya, so merong parang nag-sub-spec siya. Doon pa lang niya nakilala. Yung pinakasalan niya.
And
di ba?
walang mali doon. You know, one of the best advice I've ever heard was from a Gen Z friend na sabi niya, ang totoong fear na ngayon is not to live alone but to live with the wrong person.
Yeah, that is really scary. Kesa rushing through, parang, oh my gosh, hindi pa ako 30. Kailangan ko na makahanap.
Kasi yung
bago
mga
mas
magulang
malalim.
natin, no, parang at this age, kasal na sila.
Yes.
May dalawang anak na.
That's
Ngayon
true.
parang nagta-travel pa tayo.
Nung ka-age ko yung mom ko, 3 years old na ako ngayon.
Oo.
Ganun.
Yeah.
Diba?
Na-realize ko rin yun eh. Sabi ko, at this age of my mom, parang third child na siya. Napanganak na niya yung bunso namin. I was like, oh gosh, yeah, crazy. Pero it was a different time. Iba yung priorities.
Yeah.
And if love or like that one person na papakasalan mo and you spend the rest of your life with is not in the cards, then at least focus on creating the life that you absolutely love.
And eventually, it might attract
It
the
can.
one, di ba?
Yeah,
It can. It might, di ba?
Parang the goal is at least you have that life that you
Yeah,
love.
oo.
Yeah.
Kung may dumating man o hindi, happy ka na
Yeah.
with this life that you've created.
Okay ka na, hindi na kailangan. Kasi gano'n naman yung relationship. It should add to the happiness in your life. It shouldn't be the sole basis.
It should not depend.
Yeah. So
Oo.
parang add-on lang. Tapos kung, alam mo yun, di siya dapat kasi pampagulo. Kasi kung pampagulo lang siya, wag na lang. You don't get additional points dahil maaga ka nagka-jowa or di ba?
Medal.
Medal, gusto mo.
Oo. Kasi parang iniisip ko, if like they're in that that sense of desperation na, no? Parang, residency mo, wala na ako ng oras, ganyan. Tapos hinayaan na lang ang kung sino. Parang, I can't imagine having to go through residency tapos nasa-stress ka pa sa love life mo.
True, no?
Doy!
Hindi siya magandang
Toxic
problema.
na yung patient. Toxic pa yung jowa mo.
Ang hirap, wala nang pahinga.
Diba?
Pero gets ko din naman na parang konti na ng good choices kasi lalo na for women.
Bading na kasi. Bading na kasi
No,
lahat.
I don't claim that.
Talaga?
Because if
Okay.
you always
Okay.
say na, wala nang maayos na tao sa mundo, parang regardless, ang malas ko, edi yun lang ang makikita mo.
Totoo naman.
But-
Self-fulfilling prophecy
Yeah,
siya.
but if you say na, hey, I'm still here, I'm still an amazing lover, I can still give this love, bakit sa bilyon-bilyon na tao sa mundo ay hindi wala akong makikilalang ganon?
Ganda.
Parang ganon din siya for me.
I keep telling one of my friends nga na I really don't believe di ka magkakajowa kasi you have so much love to give. Parang naniniwala ako kay Lord mo na binigay niya yan sa'yo para ipamigay.
Yeah.
Hindi yan magsistay sa'yo. I mean, it could not necessarily a jowa, but I'm sure there's someone who's going to receive that love in some way. Di ba? Para, I'd like to be on the hopeful end of the
Wala
spectrum.
naman,
Di
yeah.
ba?
That's true.
How do you feel about happy crushes? I love them too.
They're the best.
Kasi yung isa, di ba ang tanong niya ay gusto niyang kiligin during
Ah,
residency.
oo nga.
Hindi
Oh
puro
my
sad
gosh,
lang.
yeah.
Actually, hindi naman automatic jowa agad.
Oo, di kailangan jowa. Pwede namang, ay may cutie dun sa hemodialysis.
Okay lang, yeah, sure.
Oo, no. Tama.
Wala namang bawal sa gano'n. Ano ba yung mga ganong in hospital? Meron ba mga ganong rules? I mean,
Look lang naman eh.
okay, I know. But I'm curious, may ganon
Sa
ba na mga
work, na
bawal?
jumawa,
Oo.
wala naman sa workmate.
Alam mo, pansin ko nga mas strict sa ibang setting. Pero parang sa mga...
Well, medyo, frowned upon ba yung parang superior, yung parang consultant na...
Parang iba naman yan. Parang may
iba
power
naman.
dynamic kasi. Pero kunwari...
Parang kasi ang labas teacher-student. Parang ganun, baka yun. Pero kung co-worker,
Kunwari,
ibang
naging
year
tayo.
level, first year, second year,
Wala, naging tayo. Okay lang.
what if hindi? First year, second year, ganun.
Oo,
Okay lang.
May
Alright,
parang
okay lang naman.
Oo, I mean...
Pinagchichismisan lang.
Hindi naman.
Hindi, Kebs lang.
Well,
Wala din ganon.
kung out naman sila in the
Yeah.
open na sila, edi go.
Oo.
Parang never never naman nagkaroon ng like pipirma sa HR, ganyan.
Okay.
Di ba, may
Wala
ganon?
naman.
Wala.
That's
Yung mga
great then.
di ba may anong tawag dyan? Yung i-disclose
Alam
sa
baka
HR.
meron pala dapat.
Meron pala.
Hindi
Hindi
na
ko
natin
alam.
i-disclose.
Sorry po. Sorry sa
Don't put them on that na pala daw.
Kasi I really love happy crushes. Minsan yun lang yung bumubuhay sa akin. Kunwari, sige, okay na din na papasok ako today kasi at least makikita ko si crush, ganyan. Or sige, atin na lang ako dito sa event na to kasi ano naman si crush, ganyan.
Yeah, or kung nasa era ka lang din of flings na super fun lang. I mean, I know a lot of like of people who are in that space na because they don't have time. Wala, mabilis ang fun lang. Like we're having fun, we're being smart about it, we're two consenting adults, walang
Agree.
tinatapakang tao. I think that should be fine as well. Kung mga sandali ang kilig lang and sandali ang parang
Basta naintindihan nyo isa't isa. Yan, hindi blurred yung lines. As everyone's an adult about
Right,
it. And
yeah.
it should be fine. Kasi nga, it should be something that we derive happiness from. Yeah, diba?
stress relief din.
Yeah, totoo.
So, alternative, happy crush.
Oo. I mean, kung
Actually,
hindi man jowa.
kung kiligin.
Oo. Kasi, alam mo, ang laking bagay nung parang, kunwari, inabutan ka lang niya ng form. Ay, nahulog mo. Mami, ballpen ka ba? I do.
Yeah.
I do.
I do.
Wala ka bang gano'n?
Meron naman. Pero kasi may jowa kasi ako noon. So parang sa loob ko lang yun.
May jowa din ako.
Hindi, okay pa rin naman.
I think it's fine. Hindi naman porque kasi nagjojowa ay sarado na po. Wala na
totoo
ibang tao
naman.
pwedeng makita. Parang,
Totoo naman.
I don't think that's healthy either.
Happy crush din naman yun nung time na yun. It's not like,
Basta boundaries lang. Ganyan.
And then meron
yes.
naman. Ito, sinishare ko naman sa'yo. Meron naman. Oh, meron naman.
Di
Pero
ba?
pag single ka, tapos parang hindi option na to date for real, for serious, edi may happy crush.
Yeah.
Parang pwede rin.
Gusto ko yan. Gusto yung mindset na happy crush. Oo. So, it should exactly be that. It should be happy.
Yeah.
Yan. I learned so much. Parang gusto
Actually,
ko na ulit magka-crush. Wow!
parang wala ka. Parang may crush ka naman.
Meron.
Parang meron naman.
Shoutout sa'yo. Shoutout sa'yo.
Shoutout sa'yo, crush.
So basically, prioritize and put yourself out there.
Yeah, carve time for it.
Lumande. Oo.
Agree.
And, still recognize your worth as a person. Yun, yung mga na-intimidate sa'yo, tama ka eh. Hindi sila yung tamang tao.
It's not a you problem. It's
Yeah.
a they problem.
Parang dahil lang sa doktor, parang okay. I mean, that's not the entirety of who they are.
The right problem, the right problem, the right person will not have a problem with that.
Right, exactly.
I loved having you here. Oh my God.
Thank you so much.
I think, ako na magle-letter, parang lang mapapabalik si
Oo,
Joel,
pag may mga
ganyan.
love life ulit, na parang kasawa yung perspective namin. Invite ka namin ulit.
I love it.
Please,
I'd be happy to. Tsaka sana mas maraming lumandi na after that. Responsibly, of course.
Agree.
Yung,
Why not invite them to listen to your pod and wherever you are?
pag naubos nyo na yung episodes nila, tapos parang naghihintay kayo in between, oo, may mga moments of lull ba? Pag nasa
Ay, oo,
residency.
oo naman.
Oo,
Meron naman.
meron naman. No? Kung may time kayo. Tapos gusto nyo lang din magmuni-muni, you can head over to, wherever you get your podcast, Paano Kung, where I answer and help you find the answer to all your Paano Kungs in life.
Oh, ganda.
Paano mag-photosynthesis? Iba pala. Procedure na pala.
Pero hindi pa mga ganun medical.
Ibang paano kung na pala.
Mga ibang pagmumuni yun.
Ikaw na yung,
Ay, sorry.
ikaw na yung tatanungin niya doon. Wow.
Ay, okay. Sige.
And if you like this episode, please follow Kwentong Column Podcast on Spotify and YouTube. We drop new episodes every Monday, 5 p.m.
Oh, sakto. Tuesday pala yung sa akin.
Tuesday siya.
Okay, oo.
So
You can-
Monday, next day, Tuesday si Joel
Agree.
naman.
Oo.
Tama.
You can also follow us on social media for more chika and updates. We're Kwentong Callroom Podcast on Facebook and YouTube, at Callroom Podcast on Instagram, X, Threads, and TikTok.
You can also join our Discord community, Callroom Tambayan, our official community server kung saan pwede kayo makichika with us at iba pang mga ka-callroom.
Each week, we release new episodes every Friday, every Monday, 5 p.m. Hindi napalitan yung script eh.
Oh, sorry. Ano na nga? At kung gusto nyong sumulat.
Gaya ng episode na to.
Yes. Kung gusto
Pwedeng
nyong...
hindi love life related.
Yes,
Pwedeng
kahit
kahit
ano.
ano talaga.
Yeah. Just submit through our Google form, Kwento Mo sa Callroom. It's pinned on our social media pages.
And if you want to reach us via email, mga brand sponsors, kung ano pa man, you can reach us at kwentongcallroom@gmail.com.
That's kwentongcallroom@gmail.com. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Joel.
Joel.
Salamat.
Please join us for the outro. With that, I'm Ella.
And I'm JB.
And I'm Joelle.
And
this has been Kwentong Callroom.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.